Today is the fourth straight day with more than 2,000 new COVID-19 cases in Missouri. Good evening, I'm Emily Hallwick. Thanks for being with us tonight. The state's health department reports 2,045 new cases today, bringing the positivity rate to 14.7%. Missouri says the Delta variant and low vaccination rates are to blame for the rise. A reminder that starting Monday, anyone in Kansas City, Missouri will have to wear a mask inside public places. The city announced that new mask mandate this past week. Everyone 5 and up, regardless of vaccination status, has to wear a mask when indoors in public spaces. That mandate will run through at least August 28th. More than 80% of Americans live in a county with high or substantial COVID-19 transmission. Those are the conditions where the CDC says people should wear masks indoors, regardless of whether or not they're vaccinated. John Lawrence reports there's concern numbers will increase going into the fall.
Health experts and officials have a simple message. Getting a COVID-19 shot could be the difference between life and death.
Delta virus is much more infectious. For those who are unvaccinated, it's more deadly. And for those who are vaccinated, they're protected. So we all need to get vaccinated.
Just over 30% of those eligible to get vaccinated in the U.S. haven't done so, and doctors say that's helping the Delta variant spread.
Vaccines protect you, but also vaccines protect other people around you. And in a way, this is similar to not driving while intoxicated. We have an obligation to keep others safe in our society.
The rise in COVID-19 infections and hospitalizations has caused some businesses and school districts to change their mask guidelines.
Some of the employees in the front that don't want to wear a mask, they're fully vaccinated. We told them we're just going to have to keep doing that because of the numbers rising. We want to keep all the employees safe.
Health officials say masks help contain the spread, but the best tool against the pandemic is vaccination.
If you're in the middle of a thunderstorm all the time, the raincoat is not going to protect you. You may need a raincoat and an umbrella, but the ultimate answer to keeping you dry is to stop the thunderstorms.
I'm John Lawrence reporting.
Some progress is being made. The CDC reports the pace of vaccinations are rising, especially in some of the states that have the lowest vaccination rates. Mid-Continent Public Library teamed up with the Jackson County Health Department for its last COVID-19 vaccine clinic of the month. It was a drive-through clinic offering all 3 vaccines, Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson. One health official we talked to says the timing of this clinic was perfect.
The end goal today is definitely to get as many people as we possibly can vaccinated against COVID-19. With the rising Delta variant cases, it's very important that we get everybody we can vaccinated.
The library also gave away some books to those who got vaccinated today. And throughout August, you can get a vaccine without an appointment at the Lawrence Douglas County Public Health Building. Anyone 12 and older can stop by from 9 a.m. to noon or 1 to 4 Monday through Friday. The clinic is on the first floor of the Community Health Facility at 200 Main Street. They offer both Pfizer and J&J vaccines. Johnson County's health department is moving its COVID-19 vaccination clinic on Monday. On August 2nd, that clinic will be at the Mission office on Lamar Avenue and Martway Street. You can walk in at the clinic Monday through Thursday from 8:30 to 4.